Hey everyone, I'm so bored that I bought myself a new motorcycle. Check it out, it's blue in color, and no, you cannot ride it, but you can fly it. Look, it's got props on it, so we're gonna fly this here motorcycle in this here review. Check it out. Well, you're probably stuck indoors, so I have the greatest thing for you for indoors. Look at the size of my fingers. This is a new product called the Eachine E021, and it is actually a motorcycle that flies. Well, you can fly it along the ground or fly it up in the air and do all sorts of little spinny things and whatnot. I'm going to show you that here. A remote is included. A LiPo battery is included. Actually, mine came with 2 of these, so maybe they all come with 2. All right, let's take this for a cruise indoors and outdoors. To get the motorcycle going, we turn it on. And we should see a little light in the front. There we go. That is our indicator light to tell us what mode it's in. Blinking means right now there's no controller connected. Controller's right here, powered on. Move the left joystick and we should get a solid light over here. If the remote is connected and this light is solid, you are in airplane mode to fly it. If it's blinking like this, I just put it in ground mode, that's for driving it on the ground. So a blinking light is perfect for driving on the ground and to go up in the air. There we go, I put it back in airplane mode. Here's my studio, and you can see it's quite crowded, and I'm gonna fly this little guy through the crowded studio over to my little counter over there. So here we go. Going up, nice and slow. Come on, motorcycle, come on, up, 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 up. A little higher, there we go, let's go forward. And let's go land over here. Nice and slow. There we go. All right, let's fly this in my living room. And let's take it forward. Bring it up here, and let's see. There it is. It's just sitting there looking out my window. All right, let's bring it back. Now, you want to spin it around? You can rotate it. There we go. And you can go this way. Bring it down on the table. All right, ground mode. There's ground mode right there, going in circles. And let's go straight. You probably need a pretty big area on the ground to drive this along the ground. All right, so let's fly this baby outside. Now the problem is, check this out. If I walk over here, check this out. Look at the tree. It's windy out here. Everything is windy. So you know what? I have to kind of stay in my garage when I fly this. Let's see what it does. Let's take it up. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Bring it up, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up. There we go. So easy to fly when there's no wind. It's simple as heck to fly. Now yes, I fly drones all the time, so everything's easy for me. Just takes a little bit of skill for anybody else to fly something like this. You don't see me struggling to fly it. Now it says in the manual, if you drive it in ground mode, you can switch to flight mode by hitting this button. So it's in ground mode right now, so I'll drive it along the ground, then it should go up in the air. So here we go. Going forward, and then I'm gonna put it in flight mode. There we go. Well, that worked out well. I don't know if you can do flippy mode at the same time. Let's try flippy mode. Whoa. Did you see that? It just did a bunch of spins. Let me try that again. That was pretty cool. Flippy mode, let's try it. Almost had it, almost had it. Oh, get it back here, get it back here, get it back here. Get it back here, get it back here. Got it going, got it going. Whoa, I saved it. It's still going. Out in the wind. That is not good. It's going in my tree. Okay, so you 100% cannot fly this outdoors in the wind. If it's windy like this, you cannot fly this outdoors. So what did you think of this little drone motorcycle? I thought it was pretty cool. It's a lot of fun. If you own a motorcycle like I do, and I'm sure a lot of you who view my channel own motorcycles, it's pretty cool to have a drone that is also a motorcycle. Just something silly to fly around the house and pass the time. So there's an unboxing coming up next. Also, links are below this here video on where to get it on the Banggood website and the price. It's really cheap. I mean, like really, really inexpensive. So pick one up. Have a lot of fun with all this quarantine at home time, and you'll enjoy it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you in future videos. Watch the unboxing. Take care. And now a super quick unboxing of the E021. Here we see the features listed on the box. Inside the box we have the motorcycle, the controller, and the accessories. Taking a quick look at the motorcycle, it is made out of foam and there are some plastic pieces here and here. We have the brushed motors here and here. And if we look at the opposite side, flip that around, and over here we have an on-off switch, so you can put the battery in and turn it off without removing the battery, and the battery fits right here in the bottom. Speaking of batteries, mine came with two 1-cell batteries and they are 300 milliamps each. You can see the motors are designed to be at a forward angle so that when they're running, they are pushing this forward. I'm sure the question a lot of you have is, can you place a little man on top? And yeah, you probably could, as long as the man is not very heavy. So how much does this weigh? Let's plop it down and we're at 23 grams. Let's add the 1-cell battery and we're at 31 grams total weight. Next item in the box is the controller. I like the fact that the controller, they put a piece of cardboard on top so that you don't have to read the manual and you know what every button does on the controller. You also have switches on the front right here and you will require batteries. Finally, in the goodie package you get the micro USB battery charger, spare props, and a micro Phillips screwdriver. Also included is a super thick motorcycle manual and I believe it is written in every language in the world. It is very thick. And this concludes my review of this really cool little mini drone. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions on this, post them below. Check out the links below. And stay tuned for future videos on RC drones, cars, boats, whatever. Take care.